Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. Today's video is my March submissions for Stampin' Showcase. So these are all the projects that were sent to me. I'm going to start with this fabulous box that Pam sent. She always sends the absolute best care packages. Just even looking on the outside, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at all the details here. Love it. Okay, so I've kept this thing intact because I wanted to be able to show you guys. Wow, she just blows it out of the park, doesn't she? Look at how cute this is. She knows me so well. Look how cute. Okay, and this, I can't remember what was in here. Oh, yummy, yummy. Now I can eat those. So beautiful. And look at this. Oh, I love ink pens. Look at all the detail. And then look at this little bag that she made. She did the embroidery on there, the hand embroidery. Now I can take this out and use it. I've been saving it so that I could show you guys. So amazing, right? Thank you so much, Pam. Okay, now all the submissions, I've already put their name in the basket. So now we're going to go to some cards. This one is from Stephanie in Texas. This is actually one of my downline. She makes the best cards. And then we have this card. Look how cute. Look at this again, watch. And this one is from Marianne. Here's the next one. And this one is from Janet. And we have another chick one. Now watch this. Boom. I'm going to do that again. Boom. Okay. And this one is from Mary. Now this one is an easel card, so it sits like that, and it opens like this. And this one is from Kim. Next we have this card. Let's open it up and look at it first. Look how cute. Very nice. And this one is from Bonnie. This one is from Terry because she sent me a birthday card also with the same fun fold, but using the Bella and Friends stamp set. So y'all will see that in a little bit. So that's Terry's card. And then this one is from Lisa. It opens up like that. She also sent a little template for how she made that. Okay, now this one has its matching envelope. So here's the envelope. And it opens up like this. Let's see. These fun fold cards sometimes can be a little confusing. Isn't that beautiful? And she also sent me the template so that I could make it if I wanted to. And this is from Margaret. And this card is from Grace. Isn't it just beautiful? Now, the next stack is 2 cards and some fabric from Maya. So this card opens up like this, Isn't that so cute? All the detail. And then, okay, so there's that one. Let me put this back in here so I don't lose them. And then watch this one. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. Okay, so these were all the submissions. Thank you for the fabric too. These were all the submissions for the Stampin' Showcase. So I've put everyone's name in a basket. I'm going to draw really quickly for the $25 gift card. And then I'm going to show you the birthday cards, okay? Pam! Oh my goodness gracious. Pam, okay, that is amazing. She did knock it out of the park with her box, didn't she? So, Pam, you won. Yay. Okay, let's show you some birthday cards. I'm trying to slide all of this out of the way. This first card, these are in no particular order, okay? Look at this. And then here is the back. This is from Pam. She sends me a card every month. Just about. I think every month. I keep saving them. And they're always so cute. I don't think this was a birthday card. This was a thank you card from her bingo packet. I'm going to leave that out. I don't have to put it back in the envelope. The next gift is from one of my downline, Kara. She made this cute bag for me. She just started sewing, and so she made this bag for me, so now I can use it. I love it that it has sewing machines on it, and this was her second bag that she ever made. She kept the first one, I think, for herself, or I can't remember what she said, but she made me this tote, and then look at this beautiful card. So pretty. Wow. Okay, so that's Kara's. And the next card, where did it go? Okay, this one is an Easter card, but I received it in March. So this is from Kathy. I believe this is another Easter card. That's from Lori. Look how funny this one is. Who is this from? This is from Deborah. Isn't this hilarious? I love it. Look how it opens up. That's also a thank you card. Okay, this card just, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look. Oh, look at Miss Bella. Now, if you don't have the layering ovals, this card will certainly make you want to get them, right? I love this. This is Kathy's mom. Thank you for the card. Okay. This is from Pat. What is this? This is a birthday or a thank you? This is a thank you. She's one of the winners that won one of my fabric bags. Okay, the next one is this little note card, and this is from Sandy. This is a thank you card. I think this is another card from Pam. It is. See, I told you, she always makes me really cute cards. And then this one is from, I think you say Iona. A birthday card. Okay, I'm keeping the envelopes and I don't have to, so. Okay, next one. This one's from Kathy because I just remember this card. And watch how this opens up. Okay, so happy birthday. And boom. So cute, right? So this was from Kathy's mom, and this is from Kathy. And this is from Terry. So this is Terry's card. So remember I told you that she made the same fun fold, but just used a different stamp set. So this was my birthday card from Terry. And this is from another one of my downline. This is from Tracy. So another birthday card. And then this one, I believe this is from Carrie. So it opens up just like that. Isn't that cute? So this is from Carrie. And then we have this one. And this is from Debbie. Isn't that pretty? And when they have this one, this is from Joanne. You know, she sent me a gift too, a little phone stand. This was from Melissa. And do I have any more? No, that's it. Okay, so that wraps up March's Stampin' Showcase. If you'd like to submit a project for April, you still have time, and all the information is over on my blog. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.